Here we are right up the road from the house, and I found some tires on Craigslist. These are 50 bucks, 8-inch. I think in front of the dually, maybe in front of the John Deere, or maybe Troy built. Don't know, we'll see. Supposed to buy them here real soon. This just in, there's a Chinese four-wheeler somewhere missing all 4 tires. Let's get them out and put them by the mower. So these wheels are 18 inches tall. The cut turf tires are 20 inches tall. They are slightly shorter, but if we lock the rear end, it's going to be harder to turn. These will help turn better. I'm thinking put the wide ones on the front of the dually, and we've got one of each. That's the wide versus the skinny. And then maybe, just maybe the skinny, if we can find some wheels, could go in front of the Deere. That's what I'm thinking right now. That could change. Zero turn update. I love my cut turf tires. They're so much better than they used to be. But I want to change these out for the ones that are in front of the dually. They're more like paddle tires. And these leak down. If you look down, I was just mowing yesterday and they've already leaked down. That's a pain having to air it up every time. And I know what you might be thinking, stick some foam in it. No, I want to either change these tires out for the cut paddle tires, or this just in. I picked up some knobbies yesterday from a Chinese four-wheeler. These are 18-inch tires. What came on the zero turn originally was 18-inch tires. I put these 20s on. And one more question. Do you think I should lock the zero turn? I know it would do a lot better in the mud. Leave me a comment. We are out with a zero turn and the knobby tire has just been taken off. This is going to get replaced. Let me get rid of that and slide what's going in its place. Going back to the original size, it had an 18 on it originally. Now this is an 18, but this is a lot more aggressive. We'll get it on there and then we're going straight to the ditch to test it out. Do a little ditch mowing. And that was without spray. Now this Craftsman wheel, the tire is already off, and if we look on the inside, they left a spot not painted too. Luckily it's not rusted yet, and I don't have time right now to worry about it. And the good news, it's not as bad as the Troy belt. Troy belt was really wide. The John Deere had a little tiny strip. This is slightly worse than the John Deere, but not as bad as the Troy belt. Okay, for the tire, this is the inside. Goes to the inside. They are directional. I do not like a tire that's on backwards. Halfway there. And it's now time to put the ATV tires on the mower.
In the center.
Let her down.
That's how I always design.
told you it's wet. At least we're not stuck. So just the other day with the cut turf tires, I went in right here and almost got stuck. That's been about a week ago, and it's rained since then. If we look at the other end, it is holding some water. So we know the ditch is wet. We got to see how the ATV tires are going to do. And I'm thinking going in maybe right about here. And it almost feels like we've added another mud mower to the collection. And now the Troy has ATV tires on the front. I am just a little bit jealous. They look good.